Good morning, students of class 7. Today I am going to discuss about the last part of this chapter, Rise of Islam, the Abbasid dynasty. The dominance of the Umayyads was challenged by the Franks in Europe and the Abbasids, another Muslim faction in the Arabian Peninsula itself. Abu Jafar Ali Mansur was the actual founder of Abbasid dynasty. Abul Abbas started his rule 750 to 754 as a Khalifa of Arabs Peninsula and formed Abbasid dynasty. Social, cultural, administration, Islam, in all aspects, their empire improved. The Abbasid seized control of the Muslim empire and shifted his capital to Baghdad. They ruled over between 750 to 1258. They embraced the Persian culture and also learned the art of paper making from China. The reign of Khalifa Harun al-Rashid is known as the Islamic Golden Age. Under his caliphate came into contract with Egyptians, the Persians, the Indians, Chinese, Greek, Romans, and Byzantines. Baghdad was his capital and became a thriving city and the center of learning. His contribution towards the support of artisans, scientists, and the scholars. He found Bayat al Hakima, or the House of Wisdom, which was a library and an institution for scholars. Scholars from all over the civilized world gathered here. The Arabs learnt the decimal system and the concept of zero from India. Thus, Baghdad became a melting pot of culture and innovations that united the East with the West. After the Caliphate of Al Mamun, who was the son of Harun al Rashid, Abbasid power began to decline. In 1258, the Mongols captured Baghdad and ended the Abbasid rule. Later, new Islamic empires developed, the leading one being that of the Ottoman Turks. In 1453, conquered Constantinople and renamed it Istanbul. It became the capital of their empire, which was known as the Ottoman Empire. So, अब्बासीद उमैया डायनेस्टी के बाद अब्बासीद डायनेस्टी अपना अलग डायनेस्टी अलग जगह का था, अलग प्लेसेस का था, बट दे रूल्ड ओवर टोटल अरेबिया. उसका ही अच्छा एवं वेल नोन रूलर था हारून अल रशीद, जो अरब दुनिया में इस्लाम को स्प्रेड करने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया था. उसके सन अल मामून उसके समय से डिक्लाइन होना शुरू कर दिया था इस्लामिक पावर. 1258 में मंगोल्स अटैक किया था बगदाद को एंड टोटली एबोलिश किया था, माने ख़त्म किया था अब्बासी डायनेस्टी को. देन 1453 में कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल को आप जानते ही हो, ऑटोमन तुर्की जो था वो अटैक किया था एंड देन कैप्चर करने के बाद ऑटोमन तुर्की 1453 में अरब में ऑटोमन एम्पायर को जन्म दिया था. कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अरब्स, दे डिस्कवर न्यू केमिकल कंपाउंड्स, दे मेड clocks and designed machines to irrigate fields. Ibn Sina and Al-Razi were great two scientists and physicians. Omar Khayyam was great poet and mathematician. रुबायात उमर खयाम का बुक है, बुक का नाम है रुबायात. एंड फिरदौसी का दो बुक है, एक है शाहनामा एंड है अरेबियन नाइट्स. So you can get this PDF in my description box also, and after that you write all this portion in your copy, and question and answer I will provide you as a PDF format, either video or Bhosam app, through a link. You can collect it from Bhosam app or video. Okay. Next day I will going to discuss a new topic.